Inside the rectangle, shade the region which is at least 2 centimeters from line AB. This line here, AB. At least, well, another way to rephrase it is, shade the region which is more than 2 centimeters from line AB. So what you do, get a ruler, measure 2 centimeters, starting with 0, line up the 0 with line AB, 2 centimeters. Let's mark, put another mark somewhere, 2 centimeters, and join the two marks. So this line is 2 centimeters from AB, and all of this that I'm shading, it's what I'm supposed to be shading, is more than 2 centimeters from line AB. So if there's an ant over here, anywhere here, all of these ants are more than 2 centimeters from line AB. Inside the rectangle, shade the region which is less than 2 centimeters from line AB. Again, 2 centimeters. Less than. So if anything was here, all of these dots are less than 2 centimeters from line AB. Look, that's less than 2 centimeters away, less than 2 centimeters away, and so on. Even this one here, almost touching the line, this is less than 2 centimeters from line AB. Inside the rectangle, shade the region which is at least 3 centimeters from point D. So rephrase this one, at least, more than 3 centimeters from point D. Notice it doesn't say line, point D. There's the point. So what you do is you get a compass and measure 3 centimeters. Then put the arrow, the gap between the needle and the pencil has to be 3 centimeters. There, check. 3 centimeters. And then put the point, the needle on the point. So more than 3 centimeters, so it's got to be all of this. So anything, any of these dots are more than 2 centimeters, or rather 3 centimeters, but more than 3 centimeters away from point D, all of these. Okay, shade the region which is less than 2 centimeters from line AB and needs to be more than 3 centimeters from point D. So it needs to, whatever I shade needs to satisfy both these conditions. Now what I've done here in purple, which is less than 2 centimeters from line AB, is what I just did here. So I've already done this here. This blue one here, more than 3 centimeters from point D. It's this one. So it's all of this. So I need to combine this. So I've wrapped this up, both of these, under one question. So let's start off with this one. Needs to be less than 2 centimeters from line AB. So we've already seen this, I've already demonstrated this in the previous question, but I'll do this from the beginning. less than, so it's less than 2 centimeters. That is 2 centimeters away from line AB. So all of this is 2 centimeters, less than 2 centimeters from line AB. And it needs to be more than 3 centimeters from point D. Point, meaning you need a point, needle point, to put on point D. Remember, you need to measure it first. There, check. Should be 3 centimeters. Put it on point D and draw your arc. So it'll be all of this. Right, now you need to decide, you need to have a look at this diagram and see where does the shadings, the two shadings, you got the purple shading, you got the blue shadings, where do both shadings overlap? Right, so if I just hide this bit for you, right, preferably would have done this using a rubber, but I did this in color for your convenience. So you'd rub this bit out, right, because the two shadings don't overlap here. You'd rub this out as well, all of this, because the shadings don't overlap here. The bit that you need is this. This is where the shadings overlap. Right, so you'd rub this bit out. You did it in pencil, and you rub this purple bit out in pencil, and just keep that the way it is. There you go. That's the answer. So you can check. If I have a point here, for example, as an example, just check. Is it less than 2 centimeters from line AB? Yes, that dot there is less, it's way less than 2 centimeters from line AB. Right. Check this one, is it more than 3 centimeters from point D? Yeah, from point D, it's more than 3 centimeters from this point here. Right, so this is what the final answer should look like.